Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove this black background from your videos. So in DaVinci Resolve, so you go ahead to the Fusion tab right there, and where you see media in, you want to go ahead, click on it, hold shift button, drag your mouse right there and click space. Now this will pop up and all you have to do is write down Luma Keyer like so. You can also choose this one. Let's choose maybe this one and add it. Now, as you can see, DaVinci Resolve already removed the black background, but we need to see this person here. So here on Luma Keyer controls, on channel luminance, you want to go ahead, click on this high button and drag it lower until you see these black dots. So you can go back and let's leave it like so. So it's really hard to not remove the jeans, for example, here, because they are already black, but that's how you do this. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.